In your web browser, type PROTONVPN. Click on the first link, then click on Get PROTONVPN. As you can see, there is a price list that we will not use. Below, click Get Profon Free. Select Continue with Free. Now enter your email to register and confirm the verification code on your email. Your password will be displayed here. Copy it and save it. Select the Download GNU/Linux option and press Download. Select Install ProtonVPN for Linux, and now just follow the instructions. It's basically copy-paste. On the car, it is necessary to update the system. Now the VPN is downloading. The download speed depends on your internet connection. Now you need to install Proton to see it on your desktop and then update and upgrade. Proton is now installed. Let's start it through the menu. Log in with the email address you used during registration and UN site password that you previously saved. Now we have 3 servers for free. In my case, I choose Netherlands and press connect. If we go to check our IP address, it will show Netherlands. Thanks for watching. Write to me in the comments if you need any help.